Hello teacher, I will present my idea for situation 3. I have just moved to a big city for university and I need to find a place to live. Among the three options, living in a college dorm is the best choice for me. There are two main reasons for my choice. First, a college dorm is very cheap. Renting a freeway house or apartment in a big city is very expensive and I cannot afford it. Second, living in a dorm help me make many new friends. We can study together, cook together, and help each other when we are away from home. It's also close to my classroom, so I can save time. I do not choose to rent a single house because it is lonely and costly. I also don't want to lie in a relative or a friend house because I want to be independent. Sometimes staying with others can bring some tech arguments and or uncomfortable moments. Therefore, living in a college dorm is definitely the best option for a new student like me. Thank you for listening.